Hello guys, so welcome back to this brand new video. I'm gonna show you how to fix Instagram comments. So if you have any problem with the comments on Instagram, this video is gonna be helping you a lot. 100% problem is gonna be solved. So all what you have to do is open the settings on your phone, scroll, go to the apps manager, go to the apps. Now right here it will start loading all the apps that you have on your phone. Then scroll again until you find Instagram. Click on it. Click here on this option for stop. And then go to the power users details. Go to the app launch. Make sure that this option is enabled. Click OK. And then disable the power consumption alert and enable it again. Go down here and click on this force stop option and then go back, click on the storage, click on clear cache, restart your phone, reopen Instagram. Congratulations, don't forget to like, subscribe.